Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 64 and page 65. So page 64, activity 1, draw lines. So number 1 to number 7. So basically we need to match the verb with a noun on the right side. So number 1 already given answer. So on Mondays, I play with friends. So this is my method you will need to use. I encourage you to use a ruler rather than draw randomly. So number 1, on Mondays I play with friends. And then number 2, on Tuesdays I ride. So this is either pony or bike. So because ride, so you can choose ride my bike instead of just pony. So ride, and then you draw a line to this here, my bike. So ride my bike. And then number 3, on Wednesdays I play, so maybe computer games. So piano is play the piano, and then this is play computer games. So draw a line from play to computer games. Next, on number 4, on Thursdays I go, so swimming, go swimming. On Fridays I ride my pony. And then number 6, on Saturdays I play the piano. And then lastly, on this number 7, on Sundays I watch TV. So next we go to activity 2. Look at activity 1. Write the days. So number A, already given answer on Tuesday. So on Tuesdays, so maybe I minimize it a bit. So I minimize it again so that you can see the sentence as a whole. So Tuesdays, on Tuesdays I ride my bike. And then this is, when you look at this picture, this is pony. So pony. On Friday, so this is Friday without S. So write the days. Friday. And then this is piano. So piano. Saturdays. Without S, Saturday. And then this is swimming, so swimming on Thursday. So many pupils confused about Thursdays and Tuesdays. So make sure you spell it correctly. So Thursdays and Tuesdays. And then E. So for E, they are playing some sort of like traditional game. So this is, I play with my friends, So this is on Monday. So Monday, remember the first alphabet all in uppercase, and then the remaining is lower cases. And F, so this is computer. So computer games on Wednesdays. And then finally for G, so this is watching TV. So TV on Sunday. So I maximize it again so that you can check the spelling. So remember, the first alphabet is always uppercase. Next we go to page 65. So 65, later I will play this audio on track 32 on CD2. Listen and tick the box. So I maximize it a bit and then I will play the audio.
Workbook, page 65.
1. Listen and tick the box.
James, do you play the piano on Mondays?
No, I don't play the piano in the week. I play football.
Emma, do you ride your bike on Tuesdays?
No, I don't. I play with my friends.
David, do you play computer games on Wednesdays?
Yes, I do.
Amy, do you go swimming on Thursdays?
No, I ride my pony.
Charles, do you watch TV on Fridays?
Yes, I do.
Hannah, do you ride your bike on Saturdays?
Yes, I do. I ride my bike on Saturdays and Sundays.
So that's it for today. So we are on this year 2 Super Minds Workbook on page 64 to page 65. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here and then you can watch or consume the related contents here. And then right below this video there's a link, you can click it. You can join my Telegram robot that I developed for free.